It's going down. I just got a call. Ross said he want me to perform at the motherfucking car show. I heard they got cars coming way from Afghanistan. I'm finna turn that motherfucker up.
What's up, viewers and subscribers? Continue watch the video if you want to see more clips of Bossie. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. So, via subscribers, Bossie is at it again, and this time he's letting his fans know that he's booked, set, and ready to perform at Rick Ross Car Show on June 1st. Yeah, people, and me not tell no lie. The car show ya, it not go normal. It a go be a epic car show. No joke. And me not even go talk too long. Just check out the clip ya, a Bossie.
It done turned into a concert now. Boosie badass. I'm coming, and I'm coming turn this motherfucker up. I might perform on top of a car. You hear? I might bring my cars. I just got the call. I woke up, I got the call, and it's going down. June 1st, man. Boosie badass. You already know it is. Performing live. I'm finna set it off.
There you have it, dear subscribers. That was a clip of Bossie, all pumped up and ready to perform at Rick Ross Car Show on June 1st. And people, man, not tell a lie. The clip there with Bossie, no normal, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked, no joke. You all heard him. He might end up on a car top. Yeah, people, and man, not gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Bossie fans them spam up the comment section and let me know what you all expect from Bossie performance at Rick Ross Car Show on June 1st. We don't expect it to bad, wicked, hot, cool. We don't expect a hit performance or it a go miss. Yeah man, I want to see all of the fans them spam up the comment section and let me know what I want. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy doing, and I'm out.